NASA's James Webb Space Telescope discovers super Jupiter's century-long orbit. The James Webb Space Telescope, operated by NASA, has recently made a groundbreaking discovery in the field of astronomy. Astronomers using the telescope have identified a super Jupiter with an orbital period estimated to be over a century long. This extraordinary planet is located approximately 12 light-years away from Earth, orbiting a star known as Epsilon Indi A, which is part of a trinary star system. Not only does this discovery confirm the presence of large exoplanets around nearby stars, but it also challenges our existing understanding of planet formation and characteristics beyond our solar system. Leading the team of international astronomers is Elisabeth Matthews from the prestigious Max Planck Institute for Astronomy in Germany. Their remarkable findings have been published in the renowned scientific journal Nature. According to the research, the newly observed super Jupiter has a diameter similar to that of Jupiter itself but possesses 6 times its mass. This indicates that it is a gas giant with dense atmospheres, akin to those found in our own solar system. The most remarkable feature of this celestial body, officially named Epsilon Indi AB, is its incredibly long orbital period, ranging from just over 100 years to a possible 250 years. To put this into perspective, Epsilon Indi AB orbits its star at a distance 15 times greater than that between Earth and our Sun, rivaling the orbit of Neptune around our solar system's central star. This observation underscores the remarkable capabilities of the Webb telescope, which was jointly launched by NASA and the European Space Agency in 2021. Considered the largest and most advanced space-based observatory, the Webb telescope aims to unravel the mysteries surrounding cosmic formation and the composition of our vast universe. What truly distinguishes this discovery is the innovative technique employed by the researchers to isolate the planet from the overwhelming brightness of its star. By utilizing a specialized shading device known as a coronagraph, the researchers effectively shielded the starlight, allowing the faint infrared light emitted by the planet to be discerned. Direct observation of distant exoplanets like Epsilon Indi AB is a rare achievement, as the glare from their parent stars often obscures these celestial bodies. Furthermore, by mapping the atmospheric composition of Epsilon Indi AB, scientists have detected the presence of hydrogen sulfide and other gaseous compounds. The presence of hydrogen sulfide, which has an unpleasant odor similar to that of rotten eggs, suggests chemical processes resembling those found in other gas giants. Elizabeth Matthews, the lead scientist, highlighted that Epsilon Indi AB lacks a solid surface or liquid water oceans, emphasizing the inhospitable conditions prevalent on such distant worlds. While it is unlikely that the Epsilon Indi system harbors additional gas giants, researchers speculate the presence of smaller, rocky planets in close proximity. Discoveries of this nature contribute significantly to our understanding of planet formation and evolution over immense time scales spanning billions of years. Notably, the age of the planet and its host star is estimated to be around 3.5 billion years, making them relatively young in cosmic terms yet older than our own solar system. The brightness of Epsilon Indi A allows it to be visible without the aid of telescopes, thus establishing it as a prominent fixture in the night sky of the southern hemisphere. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to explore the far reaches of the universe, complementing other space-based and ground-based telescopes in the search for more extraordinary exoplanets. As of mid-July, NASA has confirmed the existence of nearly 5,700 exoplanets primarily using the transit method, which detects the slight dimming of starlight caused by an orbiting planet. This groundbreaking discovery showcases the continuous advancements in technology while shedding light on the intricate complexities of the universe we inhabit. Each new revelation not only expands our understanding of celestial bodies but also paves the way for further investigations into the potential for life and planetary systems akin to our own.